Hi, this is Shushil from Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you about conditional formatting. First of all, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is nothing but it is allow you to highlight the data if it meets a specific criteria. As you can see, this is my sample data. You can download it from my description. I've got some movies names and I've got some ratings over here. In the movies names, I would like to select a specific text with color. For example, this star is there, only where star is written. I would like to give a color. And I've got some ratings over here. If it is 7 rating is there, then I want it in red color. If it is less than 7, then it should come in green color. And if it is more than 9, then it should come in blue color. So first I'll explain to you how can I give the rating in specific text for stars ke liye. For that you'll have to first select this range. This list is there. This movies. This select only these names. Click on this home tab of yours and then come over here, conditional formatting. In conditional formatting there's an option called as new rule. Click on new rule. And second option is there. Yes, this format only cells that contains. Click over here. And come down over here, format only cells with, and there's an option called as specific text. So click on this option called as specific text, and there's an option here, contains. Click in this box and type here that name that you want to give color, star. So I want star to be in color, so I've given the name star over here. Click on format and click on font. When you're clicking on font, when you're doing conditional formatting, this will not work for you. It gets locked actually. Conditional formatting. You can give bold. Color is over here. I want it in red color. That is my font. Fill. I want it in this orange color. So I'm giving this orange, and I'm saying OK. OK. So as you can see that wherever star is there, it is coming in that color of yours in color. That is red color and orange color. And next option is my rating. I would like to give my rating, that is 7. If it is 7 rating, then I want it in red color. So again you have to select this range, this rating option. Click on this home option, home tab. Click on conditional formatting. Then come over here, highlight and say equals to. So when you say equals to, there's an option here which tells you, see, it's taking by default 8. I want it 7. So click on type 7 over here in this box. Click on this arrow sign. This is a list which is given. Some colors are already given over here, ready made. But I don't want any of this. I want dark red. So I'll go for custom format. Click on fill and I'll go for my dark red color. If you want font, you can go for font, bold letters. Color I'm just giving it as okay, white color I'm saying. Okay. And okay. So as you can see that 7 I'm getting in red color. My next option is if it is less than 7, I want it in green color actually. Select, it's already selected. Click on this option of yours called as, if it's not selected, then select this range again. Click on your home tab, conditional formatting. Then again you come over here, highlight. So now we want to say that if it is, my next statement is saying is if it is less than 7. So conditional formatting, you come, highlight and take this option less than and type the condition over here, less than 7. Click on this arrow sign, custom format. I want it in green color, so I'll go for font again, bold letters. So if you want font, bold letters I'm giving. Color I'm giving little yellow color. And fill I'm going for this green color, so it will come in like this, dark green. Okay, see, so people, it is, if it is 7, then it will come in red. If it is less than 7, then it is coming in green. And one more option I want to give, that is greater than 9. If it is greater than 9, I wanted to give in blue color. So my rating range is already highlighted. Click on your home tab. Click on conditional formatting, highlight. Now it's greater, you have to say greater than 9. So that's what we are saying. Click on this arrow sign, custom format. So now I want it in blue color. This is that blue I wanted. Even font I wanted. So font I'll go bold. Color I'm just giving okay, white I'm saying, okay, and okay. So according to this condition, you're getting the colors. So now once you have done this much, and if you find that if you want to change the colors, that means you would like to edit the colors actually. So you select the full table like this, wherever the condition I've given condition for my movies and my rating. So I've selected this both this option. Click on your home tab, click on conditional formatting. You have to say manage rule. So when you click on manage rule, you get this entire list like this. See, now this orange color is there, that is for star color I have given. So if I click on, if I want to make some changes, click on star, this option, click on edit rule, and instead of star, if I remove this word star from here, and if I type here, instead of, I want like to have something else actually instead of star actually. For example, if I take it as this name color as rings, that's what I want to give color now. Format also you can change from color, format, fill. Instead of dark orange, if I take it as okay, this color, okay, yeah, let's go for this color, okay, okay, okay. So it will get changed. See, so now I've changed it to stars. I made it ring actually. So that's why you're getting in that color. Then if I again come back my home option, conditional formatting, again if I say manage rule, and this greater than 9 is there, if you want to change that also, like for example color, click edit rule and format, and if I wanted a little darker blue color, okay, 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 so it will get changed. So this way you can change the colors. That means you are editing the colors of yours. And if you don't want it, then you can select the full table like this again, home option, conditional formatting, and clear rules, and say clear rules from selected cells. When you do this, my full condition that I have done will be removed from the list actually. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.